हो रहा है ना। हेलो चिल्ड्रंस, हाउ आर यू? वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू एवरीवन. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस chapter number 18 of class 8, pollution of air and water. And in our today class we are going to discuss the topic air pollution. What is air pollution? How does air get polluted? And last, prevention of air pollution and how can you reduce air pollution. First of all, we will see what is pollution. Pollution means the adding of harmful substance to the environment. So pollution means it is the adding of the harmful material into the environment is known as pollution. Now we will see air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is the mixing of harmful substances like solid particle or gases or harmful gases to the mixing of harmful substances into the air is called air pollution. It is also the contamination of the air by adding harmful impurities such as solid particles, harmful gases, which has adverse effect on living organisms and non-living organisms is known as air pollution, or the mixing of harmful substance to the air due to which the quality of air become down and this air is not fit for taking in purpose of the respiration. That is also termed as air pollution. Now, how does air get polluted? What are the causes of air pollution? Or what are the human activities due to the air get polluted? So, we know that the substance which add harmful substance or contaminant to the air are called pollutants. So, pollutants are the substance which contaminate the air are called air pollutants, and the main air pollutants are, the examples of air pollutants are first, that is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and the oxides of the nitrogen oxides, oxides of the sulfur dioxides, smoke, fog, dust particles, carbon particles, and CFC. These are the main air pollutants. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxides and oxides of the nitrogens are released by the vehicles emission and sulfur dioxides, oxides of the nitrogens are released by the industrial emission, and chlorofluorocarbon that is released by the using of refrigerators, air conditioners and aerosols sprays. So, these are the substance which continuously add to air and they getting down the quality of air. These substances are called air pollutions. Now, we will be see what are the how the does air get pollute, or what are the source of, or what are the reason of air pollutions. So, our next topic, that is source of air pollution or cause of air pollution. Source of air pollution. Number 1 source, that is industrial emission. Industrial emission. And second source is vehicle emission. Third source is smoking. Fourth is agriculture activities. Number 5th is construction work. Number 6 is volcano eruption. Number 7 is fire, forest fire. Number 8 is burning of firewood. And dung cake. So, if we see one by one all of these, number 1 is industrial emission. Most of industries releases, as you know, sulfur dioxide, oxide of the nitrogens. These oxides add into the air and they getting down the quality of air. Vehicles is also big source of air pollutions in India. Day to day the vehicles are going to increase, and these vehicles releases many harmful gases which contain carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and the oxides of the sulfur, which continuously added to air. So, the air is not able to human use. Another reason is the smoking. Smoking is also add some harmful gases and the dust particles into the air. Many agriculture activities include use of fertilizers, insecticide and pesticides. These are non-biodegradable in nature. When you use these insecticides to kill the germs or different type of the pest, they suspended in air and they get pollute the air. Construction work going in cities, that is a part of the development, that is also add different type of the dust particle to the air. During the volcano eruptions, many harmful gases as well as dust, smoke also added to the air. Fire, forest is also, these are two natural regions are there, and fire, forest is a big regions of air pollution that take place in some countries during the lockdown period and before the lockdown period. Burning of the firewoods and dung cake in villages even today also as a cooking foods, firewoods and dung cake are used to the cook foods. So, these are some regions that is by day to day the air getting pollute or air become pollution. Now, as a active citizen, how we can control this air pollutions, or what are the ways they can be used to reduce the air pollution. So, our next heading is, that is prevention of air pollution or control on air pollution. how we can reduce or control air pollution. So it can be also we can discuss in following ways. Number 1, using of public transport. Using of public transport. Second, using of a bike or walking instead of a car. Number 3 is regular service of vehicles. Regular service of vehicles do not burn plastic and leaves. Next, switch off engine at traffic light. Use eco-friendly fuels like CNG. Using of filter in chimneys. So these are some reasons. Now we will discuss one by one. Using of public transport. Avoid the using of individual transport. Public transport maybe carry at a time many passengers. So in such way we can reduce the air pollution. Second is, for a short distance we can use a bicycle or a bike. Don't use a car. Evenly sometime we can use also sharing of the car between two peoples. Regular service of vehicle is also required, which reduce lead dust particle or lead particles in air. Do not burn garbage. Plastic and leaves are also produce harmful gases, so do not burn them. Avoid burning of such. Switch off engine when you are at traffic signals is off. Switch off your engines. We can use eco-friendly fuels. You can take examples in Delhi. CNG is used as a fuel, that is efficient fuel and reduce less carbon particles. Using of the filter in chimneys, many industries use the filters before the discharging of the harmful gases to air. So the carbon particle and the gases are absorbed. So they gas let polluted the emission particles. Another point you can use, avoid the usage of firecrackers or crackers during special type of Diwali or in different seasons. Firecrackers are also a seasonal region of this air pollutions. They also, so don't use firecrackers. You can use green firecrackers which less air pollutes. So in today class, in summarized way, we can see what is air pollution. Air pollution just is the adding of the air into the adding of the harmful substances to the air. So the quality of air is not good and it is not useful for the living things, and it is also harmful for the non-living things. And this air is get polluted by the air pollutants which we are given here. Then we see sources of the pollutions are there, and finally we see how we can control air pollution. So as a student, it is our also duty to take some other initiatives, latest initiatives of air control so that we can overcome this problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you a lot.